So my name is Meg Jacobs, and one of my most new passions here is trying to work on establishing a garden program. One of the challenges at our school is that students already have their niche and they already have their passion, and so to try to sell something new has been hard. But I think there's a place and there's some students on this campus who are going to benefit from it greatly. Gardening for me it's one of those activities I can do where I lose all sense of time, where you're completely immersed in this wonderful thing. My love of gardening started in my family when I was young. My dad was an avid gardener, and one of his specialties was garlic. And my dad, who had a garden up until he passed away 3 years ago, would always give me some of his best garlic to use in my gardens. And so the Nobles Garden has his garlic, Charles Randall's garlic, in it, and we're going to keep that going from year to year. So that's a beautiful thing too, that heritage notion that you can continue to grow and learn from the past and move it into the